Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. The honorable person, our lecturer, and all of our beloved friends. Well, first of all, let's say thanks to Allah because of His blessings. We can present these materials without any obstacle. So, let me start by giving you some material about dialysis. Turning our attention now to definition. Deixis is the finding or specifying function of some words as definite articles and demonstrative pronouns, whose denotation change from one discourse to another. Merriam-Webster 2015. Okay, so now let's move on to function. The function of finding or specifying from the perspective of a participant in an act of speech or writing aspect of a communication whose interpretation depends on knowledge of the context in which the communication occurs.
Okay, next. Types. The element of Dexis include 5 labels. Number 1, personal. 2, time. 3, place. 4, social. 5, discourse. 1. Personal. Personal Dexis is done by using personal pronoun. The speaker is in the first person, I. Direct the statement to the listener in the second person, you, and can talk about the third person, he. Personal Dexis or person Dexis concerns in itself with the grammatical person involved in an utterance. For example, I'm going to the movies. Would you like to have dinner? They tried to hurt me, but she came to the service. In many languages with gender pronoun, the third person masculine pronoun he, his, him in English are used as a default when referring to a person whose gender in on one or intervention. Next, time. Time dexis is an expression that related to a certain point in time when the utterance is produced by speaker. Usually, the reference point for time dexis is the moment of speech in the recording time. Time dexis experiences in time at first such as the last, next, Monday, week, month, year, now, then, later, sun, before, yesterday, today, tomorrow. For example, tomorrow is Sunday. The word tomorrow is included in the time dexis because it refers to the relevant day from the conversation. The time when the conversation is discussed is on Friday. Friday because the word tomorrow refers to Saturday. For example, I saw him last week. The word last week, next week is included in the dexis of time. The word last week refers to a certain time when the conversation is being discussed.
The next is place dexis. Place deixis concern the encoding of spatial location relative to the location of the participant in speech event. The dative adverbs of place in English are this and here versus that and there. This and here show something proximal or close to the speaker, and that and there show something distal, non-proximal, or close to the address. In motion verbs, things of place deixis come versus go makes distinction between the direction of motion. He is coming. He is moving toward the speaker location. He is going. He is moving away from the speaker location. For example, that girl is not polite. I am happy here. My sister lives there. The next is social deixis. Social deixis concern the encoding of social distinctions that are relative to participant rules, particular between speaker and address or speaker and some referent. Social deixis concern that aspect of sentence which reflect or establish or are determined by certain realities of the social situation in which the speech act occurs. Social deixis concern the social information that is encoded within various expressions such as social status of a person and social familiarity. For example, I can call my colleague Tom but not to because to is not comfortable in particular environment. It can be used in case of best friend. Social deixis change from language to language. It is expressed in different addressing terms such as mom, sir, madam, etc. For example, good evening, sir, and thank you so much, mom. The next is discourse deixis. Discourse deixis, also referred to as text deixis, refers to the use of expression within an utterance to refer to parts of the discourse that contain the utterance, including the utterance itself. The use of expression within some utterance to refer to some portion of the discourse that contains that utterance. The dictated terms used here are the demonstrative this and that. This can be used to refer to a forthcoming portion of the discourse and that to a preceding portion. For example, please listen to this. And what does that mean? It refers to the use of expression within an utterance. It is used in conversation and in discourse practice when deixis is used for rhetoric purpose. That is called discourse deixis. In discourse deixis, second person is used. For example, this is a great story. This refers to an upcoming portion of the discourse, and that was an amazing account. That refers to a prior portion of the discourse. Okay, that's all our presentation. If there are more or less words, we apologize profusely. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.